Moving on, we have our silver sponsor, Logic, and Paris Kasidiaris. Logic is creating exceptional products with over-the-top engineering, both for itself and for its customers. And Paris today is going to talk about DevOps with Logic and how we can probably be more calm when using multiple servers. So Paris, welcome to the stage.
Thank you. Can I have a clicker? OK. All right. So thanks a lot for having me here today. My name is Paris, and I represent a company called Logic. So we've been doing DevOps for quite a long. I can say that we deployed Docker in production since 2013. This is almost 10 years. And this was just the start of DevOps. And I remember that they were telling us that now it's the time for us to embrace the cloud and everything in the cloud and everything is elastic and we can pay only for what we use and all these nice stories. But I think we got a bit tricked. So I would like to try and ask the crowd a few questions, although I have to admit that I'm pretty much blinded here, but yeah. Anyway, so first of all, I have a question. How many of you spend more than 1,000 euros or dollars per month on infrastructure costs? OK, that's quite a few. And let's give it another go. How many of you spend more than, let's say, 4,000 per month on it? OK, that's the same. Wow. More than 10,000? Wow. OK. So that's a lot. And yeah, I just asked the question. And I have another question as well. How many DevOps, actually, how many of you have at least one DevOps engineer in your company? OK. More than one? 2 DevOps engineers? 3? It has to stop somewhere. I've stopped. OK. And I have one last question. How many of you do not have predictable workloads on the cloud? None? All of you have predictable? I'm going to die. OK, so this is not good because we're paying a fortune on cloud infrastructure, a fortune on DevOps tool, and a fortune on engineering salaries. And the reason that we started doing DevOps was to focus more on doing code and less on working with systems, paying for infrastructure that we don't use, and we end up paying more people, more infrastructure, more everything. It doesn't have to be like that. We were promised to spend less. We were promised that we can focus on write code and not maintaining infrastructure or managing any system. But we don't have to miss all these things that we miss. We can achieve more. We can do DevOps with Logic, and we can help you. Thanks a lot.